County, Kentucky, southeastern Union County, Kentucky, Webster County, Kentucky, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles south of Sturgis and moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clay, Dixon, Corydon, Seabury, and Robarts. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors,